reveal the truth.
¿Qué onda?
It is not my preference to see to matters personally, but I will see it done.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
A moment to enjoy some peace and quiet. Probably that.
Let's all go right. I'll jump in, drop shield, and then you just walk in.
I wonder what's happened here since I escaped.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
McCree's right up front. Okay, I'm dropping shield. Come on, come in to me, come to me. Good stuff, good stuff. Continue on. Top right. Good stuff, good stuff. Take high ground from them. Need some healing.
Allow me to repair the damage.
Continue healing. Jump it in. 3, 2, 1.
I'm restoring.
They are all low. Good stuff, guys.
No stopping.
Anyone want to join?
Good one, Roadhang.
Get into position.
Wee.
Commence attack.
I need the fighters. We are on fire. What is he doing?
This will heal you.
Monkey. Punish him. Good one. Spread out. Just spread out. Mercy hide.
Surrender to my will.
That's unlucky.
Oh no!
McCree.
This is not the end.
Curious.
Let's just wait for everyone and push upper right.
This will protect us.
This will heal you.
Upper right. Regroup. Let's push upper right. Come on. Diving in. Should we go EMP? With the EMP?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay.
Ready?
Ulting. Ult now. Big. He's down. Nice hack. Spawn captain. Monkey's con point. They have a bastion now. Mercy's coming. They have a bastion now. Monkey ulted. I'm not dead. 16 HP. Could need some healing behind you. Nice focus, Roadhog. Good one.
This will heal you.
Good one.
Good job.
Couldn't we have taken 1 second longer? That would be quite nice.
2-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Orisa or Ryan? What do you want?
Oh, Risa. Oh no, Ryan. We're in defense. I like Ryan.
Please don't, Symmetra.
No, no.
Don't
Yeah.
do the Curry Queen, please. No, she's autistic as you, I know, but don't.
What should I play?
If he picks a healer, which he's very capable of playing, you can pick DPS again.
Into position.
Please switch off that Symmetra. Would be.
Oh,
Very-
we need a second
very
leader,
kind, sir.
Symmetra, please. Please, Symmetra.
I mean, look. Mercy is like Symmetra, but she's healing, and she's way more useful.
It is
Yes.
not my preference to
Fuck
see
you.
matters personally,
Thanks.
but I will see them done.
I spit on you.
No,
Yo, that meme's long dead.
Attackers incoming. in
like
30
myself.
A moment to enjoy some peace and quiet. Probably
My
just
power grows.
I grow tired of waiting.
You can actually stand there for a bit and get beginning picks and try retreating out of there.
Defend objective A.
Just try and get one kill and then just instantly get out there. Get the Lucio perhaps.
I will rebuild you.
It's fine. It's fine.
Give us
Try getting out.
Repair the damage.
Got Doomfist. Good one. Have your eyes behind you
It's my will.
for any potential flankers. Moira's on the right. I hear her, I think. No, she isn't anymore.
Get into position.
casting a healing spell.
Nice scatter. Doesn't matter if it's a scatter.
I cast this form.
They're all upper right. Doomfist.
Invert Boher.
Doomfist retreating.
Allow me to repair the damage.
Roadhog, grab me.
You see me today.
I'm charging him. Got him.
Good job.
Is that the best you can do?
From Diva. Okay, she got out.
Get into position.
Big one, Roadhog.
Repairing the damage.
Come here, you bitch. Good one, Reaper. Almost got my shatter.
Doomfist
My
left.
shitter up. We got 6 ults. Don't get slapped by Anna. Don't get anti. Don't do anything that has to do with Anna. They have a Hanzo now. Beware of his ult.
Allow me to repair the damage.
Got Hanzo.
Into position.
See through the dragon's eyes.
Let's go there where Roadhog is. He needs help.
Fuck.
It's fine if you die. It's fine.
It would be a team kill, but he sleeped me.
Oh, you had ult. Okay, go point again. Runner's charging in.
I didn't saw that Anna.
I'm in there. Just let me die. Try and survive this. Just let me die. Let me be dead. I'm trying to come back as fast as I can. That's unluck. Okay, get out. They have shatter. They have shatter. Is it winnable?
Yeah, keep it up.
Nah, it's not. Come out, Reaper. Oh my god, that's actually all my fault. That's my bad. I charged in there.
Dead yet.
Don't get slapped. Come back. Let's retreat. I'm just gonna get that in. Okay, let's retreat.
Defense point. Objective B.
I will rebuild.
Did they use Shatter?
Get into position.
By the dragon.
Tracer's coming. I'm antied. Tracer's behind still. Charging Doomfist, didn't get him. Charging right. Res him. Got shields for you. Don't get scattered by Hanzo.
Thank you.
Good stuff, good stuff. That was a beautiful scatter, by the way. I saw that. 90 on my ult again. Beware of Reinhardt ult. Did he use it? Doomfist is
I
probably
don't
coming
think
in.
so.
Power of destruction.
He didn't use Shatter.
So he still has it.
They come in all together.
I have Shatter. I can cock block him. Hanzo probably has ult again. Tracer. Blocked it. I'm stuck. Coming back as Winston. Winnable. Winnable. Coming back. I'm still coming back as Winston.
Holy shit, they one-shotted me.
Stand on point. Get the lesbian. Dive in, what's her name? And I'm asleep. Anna's half. I'm going back to spawn to heal up. Spread out. No! Okay, they're retreating out. Let's fight this one. Okay, that fights one. I'm staying Winston here. Good one, good hook. Where's Hanzo? I heard him. Dive in Hanzo. He's gone, he's gone. I'm contesting upper left a little bit on my own. Just kinda don't let him go through there. Doomfist is going in, I think. Yes. Spread out. Doomfist has ult again.
Our enemies believe that they can take our objective. Get into position.
Good one.
60 seconds.
Tracer's low. Big!
Someone call for it.
Good job.
I still have ult. They don't have Hanzo ult, they don't have beats, I think. They don't have boost, they don't have Doomfist. Tracer probably has it again. They don't have Shadow as well, so we're pretty Gucci here.
30 seconds remaining.
Punish Doomfist. He can't get out. Good one. Scatter boy. Good pick, huge pick. I'm going in with ult. I'm asleep. Big. Good game.
Good job, guys.
Good fucking job.
Good job on a Reaper. And nice hits, Moira.
Thank you.
Play of the game.
Silence and